Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. This is my today's subject, and I'm gonna make something different illustration type image from this photograph. Well, let's get started. I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges as always, and I may use later, but just turn it off now, and I'm gonna work on this, but I'm gonna make duplicate first, and then turn this base image, turn it off to keep it, then work on this duplicate layer. Well, first just smudge these images with, let's see, evolve this time. Her head like this. I really like this evolve texture. Just like painting or something. Nice texture though. Touch bigger, we see some smudged image. She's got really nice, beautiful hairstyle, and hair makeup artist did a good job on this. And also a nice expression too, yeah? While smudging these images, I'm thinking about, well, what kind of image it's going to turn out. Like some of our intuition, just when you feel it. That's kind of fun part to think about all the things. See, this texture is so nice. Let's see, bigger size. Yeah, it's cool now. Still nice. Look at this. Makes totally different image. It's everything like a crayon type image. So fun. Okay, almost done for smudging all the image. Now I'm gonna maybe add layer. Yeah, I want to try this. Add layer, and I'm going to change the layer mode, blend mode, to color, and then paint it on this layer. This time I'm going to change the airbrushing group to medium hard blend, pretty small size, and what I'm going to do is makeup. How about blue eyes for her? How's it look? Is it too much? Now I'm gonna add lips, same kind of red, just a touch more reddish. And also I'm going to go some more yellowish on touch more, emphasize this hair color. Okay. Okay, on this layer. Alright, now let's see this pencil drawing type image now. Blend mode. Go to like overlay. How's this? It's gonna give you more punch. So I will use this image as effect, and well, I want to use this pencil drawing type image outlines, so I'm gonna make duplicate layer, then just one is just keep turning it off. Then I'm gonna work on overlay, blend mode, make mask, then invert mask. Now looks dull now, huh? Now I'm gonna reveal with this real soft blend, well, airbrushing to soft airbrush. Just make it contrast, lighten up. Now it's pretty light. I want to see this pencil drawing type image, change layer mode to darken, so we see that only the lines from this layer. What I mean only the line is this, nose lines and stuff, but I want to hide this, so I'm gonna make mask, then choose that medium hard blend or something, then select black to mask here, hide this black lines, 100% black to hide. You see black lines well, about here, I mean outlines of the head, maybe some, just a touch. I don't want to take this out all the way. Well, otherwise, let's see, this kind of dust and stuff. I'm gonna reveal this mask. It's gone around here. This area has more interesting color. Lighten up. Effect from the sunlight. Kind of flare type image. Now, again, I have color layer here, but let's see if I move this one, go up to this blend mode. It doesn't change anything, right? Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to paint it on this color layer. Well, this is since color layer, but rename this face makeup. Then I'm going to add another one more layer for just color. Paint it on. Well, it's not color, it's just normal, and let me add some different painting. Let me try on La Puna. This is painting, just test. This La Puna brush is so much interesting. Nothing. It's not interesting. But let's see. Move down, darker. Now it's hard light, and let's see. Just play around with this. I will just make mask 2 on this image. This is a layer mask. I take this, reveal this much, just a part of her face and this side. Just leave this one like so. Then make a mask on this smudged image. Use mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal with pretty big. Oh, I found something interesting last time. That was Stickman. That was interesting. Well, look at this. This is a Lego mask. I'm gonna reveal with the Stickman brush, abstract to Stickman. Okay, let's see. Look at this. It's not that interesting, huh? But, well, when you make it smaller, again, alright. Go back to airbrushing, soft airbrush to reveal a more punch. Well, I think it's something interesting, and let me see this turn on, this color. Maybe tone down just a touch more, about 50%. Yeah. Well, I think that's kind of interesting and something to play around. Okay, this one is outlines. You see here, especially around here. And then I add some color. This. Then this color is for blue eyes and stuff. Lips just very changed, and this Lego mask, you see the effect gets from the overlay image. Then this Lego mask, this is Stickman. Use that some kind of rough. Well, this side I'm gonna just touch up. Abstract to Stickman. That's right. Then yeah, about this much. Don't change much. Okay, now I just leave this base image. This is the smudged image. When you see closer, you see the texture of the brush. Well, that's it for today. And thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna help you some kind of ideas for your creative work. And if you think it's okay movie, then please subscribe and push the button of the bells. You'll see that different ideas maybe next time. Well, see you next time, and you guys have a nice day, and bye now. Ciao.